Greetings from Molester Point, Bali, Tasa. This is my first time here, so I'm not sure what to expect, but I saw lots of lights here. And the basement, there's a gym. So let's go explore. There's even a billiard club. My kitchen banh mi sandwich. Check out the price, man. $7.90. Now we're in here. Some kind of boxing, some kind of aerobic gym on the left side. Napmi Park environment. They sell some kind of like paintings. Oh, it's very like go small. And there's a KTV here. Ta Shanghai, it means a big Shanghai. Surprisingly, it seems to have some residential apartments, but oh, there's amulet shop, but they're closed. What is this, man? Oh, more of the card trading stuff. The lighting shop is quite special. Lighting.com.ag, easy to remember, right? Sofa set, dining table, hanging lights, LED, and TV console. Then check out the gym, and there's another shop called the Dukes of Temasek. It seems like it's very like Lemon. There's only the gym there's and the banh mi restaurant, there's people there. And there's cycling also. And here we have a Mahakaruna Buddhist Society. Another LED lighting. And that gallery, right, is actually called the Napmi Park. Hey, that's broken, right? Are they selling broken pieces? So upstairs, right, there's only one shop that's open. That is the Golden Billiard Club. And you have to climb the staircase because escalator is not working or they turned the power off. So I think we go outside now. OVM Superstore, buy more, pay less. But it's funny, it's closed once again. So I can safely say this is one of the new ghost malls in Singapore. Man. So this is it, the Molester Point. I thought there are more stuff. There are not even one massage shop, no TCM, no Taekwondo. And if you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe and like so more people can find the video. Thanks very much. I wish everyone happiness and peace. See you guys in the next video. Take care everyone. じゃあまたね。